What's up, Squirrel Squad? Today I will be showing you how to get 5 free stocks on the WeBull investing app. It's free to sign up and free to download. You will absolutely love this app, and WeBull is hands down my favorite investing platform. I use WeBull for all my investment accounts, which include my normal brokerage and Roth IRA retirement accounts. WeBull also has a high-yield savings account built in which earns 5% per year on all uninvested cash. It's phenomenal. Greetings, Squirrel Squad. Let's freaking go. This is your high-flying, electrifying, star-studded, warm-blooded, savvy stock squirrel. I'm coming to you live with another episode of The Nut House, where we talk about stock, investments, saving, retirement, and everything in between. On this wealth-building journey, come along for the ride and hold on to your nuts because squirrel mode is activated. Also, stay tuned to the very end of this video for a secret surprise. You won't be disappointed. So as I was saying earlier, WeBull is my absolute favorite investment platform. I've compared it to many others, and it's hands down the best. It's very easy to use, has a beautiful interface, and a ton of tools available for the ultimate investment experience. You can download the WeBull app and sign up for absolutely free, and when you deposit $100 or more, you get 5 free stocks. It's that simple. At this time, I'm showing you a screenshot of my YouTube main profile. In my links section is where you'll find the clickable link to sign up on WeBull for free and get your 5 free stocks. You can also find an additional clickable link in the video description where you can sign up for free as well. If you're looking to get started in investing, WeBull is the way to go. I love how nice and clean their interface is. It's gorgeous, actually. They show logos for the different companies you invest in. It's colorful, crisp, clean, and just looks very high-tech. Buying and selling stocks is extremely simple, and navigating through the app is a breeze. I absolutely love it. I hope I was able to provide you with a simple solution on how to download the WeBull app, sign up for free, and get your 5 free stocks. If you feel this video was helpful, feel free to tip this hard-working squirrel. My tip jar link is found in my YouTube links section and video description as well. Any tip, no matter how small, is greatly appreciated. It helps support the channel so I can continue to bring you free content. Thank you for joining me for another episode of The Nut House. And remember, my squirrel friends, the secret to squirrel success. Never stop gathering your nuts. The Stock Squirrel is signing off. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Lastly, how much are you loving WeBull? Which free stocks did you receive? Did you have any questions navigating the WeBull app? Comment down below. Thank you for listening. It's been wonderful sipping coffee, hanging out, and introducing WeBull to my favorite squirrel subscribers. Please like and subscribe to me on YouTube. My family and I would greatly appreciate it. It puts us on the YouTube algorithm so more families can learn about finance and investing. If you want to tip this hardworking squirrel, my tip jar link is found in my YouTube links section. Any tip is greatly appreciated, no matter how small. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, X, and Instagram if you want to see a financially savvy fat squirrel in action. And believe me, you'll see some action. Also, please understand that I am not giving investment or financial advice. You, the listener, are responsible for your own actions and investment activities. I am only here to provide education. Please don't be a silly squirrel and blow up your stock account. Thank you.